In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analytical model in Revit. We're going to make sure your analytical model is visible and ready for coordination or structural analysis using just a few focused actions. Even if you're new to this, don't worry. This will be clear and practical. First, start by moving into a view where the analytical model can actually be seen and understood. A 3D view is often ideal because it gives you the full context of your project, letting you see how elements connect across levels and grids. If you prefer a more focused look, a plan or elevation view works just as well. In a plan, you'll typically see floor framing or wall layouts at that level, while an elevation gives you vertical alignment and support relationships. The key point is to choose a view that matches what you're trying to check or present. Next, open the Visibility Graphics Overrides dialog for this view. This is the control center for what appears on screen. Most people access it quickly by pressing VG on the keyboard, and VV also works in the same way. You can also open it from the View tab if you like. Remember, this dialog is view-specific, meaning any changes you make here affect only the current view. That's useful because you might want the analytical model visible in some views for coordination, but hidden in others for documentation. With the dialog open, stay on the Model Categories tab. Scroll through the list and look for Analytical Model Categories. Turn it on by checking the box. This tells Revit to display the analytical representation of the elements in your model, things like analytical lines for beams and columns, or analytical surfaces for walls and floors, without changing the physical model itself. In most cases, simply enabling this category will reveal the analytical framework immediately in the view you're in. After you confirm the change, glance around your view to make sure the analytical elements are now visible. They typically appear as simplified lines, edges, or surfaces that help you evaluate alignment, continuity, and support. If you don't see much at first, that can simply mean the view is filtered, or the elements in that area don't have an analytical representation, which is normal in some cases. The important part is that the category is now enabled and ready for any coordination or analysis workflows you plan to use. And that's it. By choosing the right view, opening Visibility Graphics, and enabling analytical model categories, you've made your analytical model accessible and clear for your current view.